On October 14, 2012, an extraordinary event unfolded as a staggering 8 million individuals tuned into YouTube. They were there to witness a historic moment when Austrian skydiver Felix Baumgartner achieved a groundbreaking feat, a parachute jump from a remarkable altitude of 38,969.4 meters. In a span of merely 3 hours, he shattered 8 world records and even broke the sound barrier. This monumental achievement marked the culmination of 5 years of meticulous planning and the substantial investment of $20 million, £12.45 million, in the Red Bull Stratos project. That day, history was made, representing a significant stride forward in humanity's understanding of how the human body responds to extreme conditions near the edge of space. A giant balloon, as tall as the Statue of Liberty when fully inflated and with a capacity of approximately 850,000 cubic meters, 30 million cubic feet, carried Felix inside a capsule to an altitude of 38,969.4 meters, 127,852 feet. The balloon had around 5,097 cubic meters, 180,000 cubic feet, of helium inserted by the crew prior to its launch. This was enough helium for liftoff, but did not fill the balloon envelope to capacity because they needed to leave space to allow the helium to expand while the balloon rose. After depressurizing the capsule, the point of no return, Felix perched on its ledge for a few final moments before making his death-defying, multiple record-breaking leap to Earth. "I'm going home now," he said. He started 99,000 foot higher than Mount Everest and it took him just 909 minutes to get back to Earth. As the air pressure decreased with the balloon's rising altitude, the helium inside it expanded, eventually filling the entire envelope to its full capacity of approximately 850,000 cubic meters, 30 million feet superscript 3, at jump altitude. The helium-filled balloon took Felix on his 2-hour journey into the stratosphere. The speed of sound is 1,236 kilometers per hour, 768 miles per hour. During his stratospheric skydive, Felix reached a top speed of 1,357.6 kilometers per hour, 843.6 miles per hour. Felix's capsule was equipped with a total of 15 cameras, including 5 that were affixed to his suit. These cameras collectively delivered an extraordinary viewing experience to the audience tuning into the broadcast. An astonishing 8 million individuals tuned in to witness Felix's space journey and his return to Earth. The viewership could have been even more extensive, but the demand exceeded the capacity of YouTube servers. Felix's skydive was a scientific challenge during which a lot of useful data was collected. His incredible achievement has led to significant advances in research into the stratosphere and space, as well as spacesuits and safety equipment. On October 24, 2014, Google executive Alan Eustace, USA, fell to Earth from 41,422 meters, 135,898 feet, and broke Felix's record for the highest freefall parachute jump.